Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best speedballs is probably one of the most underrated training tools in boxing. They're designed to help you sharpen your hand-eye coordination, boost your punching speed, and improve your reflexes. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of speed bags, exploring what makes them essential for any boxer looking to level up their game and how to choose the right one. Number 5. Hunter Leather Speed Bag with Hanging Swivel. This speed bag is crafted from genuine cowhide leather. It's built for exceptional durability, perfect for those intense training sessions. This ensures it can withstand the toughest workouts. Each speedball is meticulously shaped and balanced. This design ensures precise rebound performance. It helps you improve your timing, rhythm, and reflexes. The lightweight structure features a durable latex bladder. This combination provides a rapid rebound response. It enhances hand-eye coordination and boosts endurance. It features 4 layers of polycotton lining. This design offers exceptional strength and resilience. This makes it a long-lasting addition to your boxing or fitness setup. Measuring 9.5 by 7, this speed bag comes with a swivel and 4 screws for easy installation. Please note that the speed bag platform and air pump are not included. The product includes a complementary swivel, suitable for home gyms. For professional or heavy-duty use, upgrading to a high-performance swivel is recommended. What we like. This speed bag is crafted from premium cowhide leather, ensuring exceptional durability. Its balanced design allows for precise rebounds, helping you improve your timing and reflexes. If you are looking for a long-lasting and accurate speed bag, you should consider this one. What people say. Nice size. Bought for grandson and it will be a great fit. Sturdy. The craftsmanship is outstanding, with high-quality leather that looks and feels durable. The speed bag is perfectly balanced, providing a consistent rebound and making my training sessions both effective and enjoyable. Exactly as advertised, easy to use, easy to assemble, nice punching ability, comfortable and easy enough for beginners or pros, standard size, great upper body and arm workout. Number 4. Boxerpoint Double-End Speed Bag. This double-end boxing bag is designed to enhance your reaction time, accuracy, and speed. It moves quickly in all directions, which is perfect for improving hand-eye coordination and striking precision. The punching bag comes with everything you need to start training immediately. It includes adjustable bungee cords, carabiners, hand wraps, a carry bag, and a pump. It's simple to install in your home gym or workout space. Crafted from durable PU leather with precision stitching, this reflex ball is built to withstand powerful punches and daily workouts. The strong, adjustable bungee cords ensure fast rebounds, keeping you engaged during your training sessions. From boxing exercises to MMA and fitness routines, this bag helps hone your striking skills. The adjustable height makes it great for both adults and kids, helping you develop speed and coordination. It's perfect for kids to burn off energy and for adults looking to stay fit. Whether you're a beginner or a professional boxer, this bag provides a fun way to improve cardio, timing, endurance, and agility. What we like. This double-end bag challenges your reaction time with its unpredictable movement. It comes as a complete set, including everything you need to start training. If you are looking to sharpen your reflexes and improve hand-eye coordination, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The speed bag is well made and durable. The swivel is smooth and allows for fast action. The platform is sturdy and adjustable. Number 3. Boxerpoint PU Leather Speed Bag for Boxing. This speed bag is crafted from high-quality PU leather, designed to withstand endless punches. It's ready to take a beating and keep bouncing back, perfect for speed, precision, and endurance training. This symmetrical speed bag is built to professional standards, helping both beginners and pros. It improves hand-eye coordination, reaction time, and precision. The tear-shaped bag features an anti-leak gas nozzle and is made with durable, anti-crack PU leather. Double reinforced seams and a balanced bladder ensure it can handle even the hardest punches. Setting up this reflex bag is hassle-free, whether in your home gym, garage, or workout space. It's compatible with standard speed bag mounts and works perfectly with a high-quality swivel, sold separately. Get kids and adults active with this exciting alternative to video games. It's a great gift for fitness enthusiasts, encouraging a fun and engaging workout experience for everyone. What we like. This speed bag is built to withstand even the hardest punches, thanks to its durable PU leather construction. It helps you sharpen your skills and reflexes, whether you're a beginner or a professional. If you like a product that can take a beating and keep bouncing back, you should consider this one. What people say. I have been using it daily for over a month with no issues. He was thrilled. Great quality. It seems to work as it should. I'm 68 years old. I don't know a whole bunch about this, but even at my age with this item I can get it to go pretty good and keep it up for 2 maybe 1 full minute, so you young fellas ought to be able to beat it good, and keep it straight. Number 2. FISTRAGE Speedball Boxing Bag Kit, Black. Introducing the FISTRAGE Speedball, designed for your intense training sessions. This speedball is made with top-grade microfiber leather, ensuring it can withstand repeated use. The bag is crafted from premium microfiber leather, offering exceptional durability. Its robust construction is built to endure your most rigorous workouts, session after session. It features a balanced design with a long-lasting bladder. This design ensures optimal rebounds, enhancing your fitness training and improving your reaction time. The speedball has reinforced hand stitching, riveted and layered for unbreakable perfection. This meticulous craftsmanship guarantees the product's longevity and reliability. Get excellent value for your money with the FISTRAGE Speedball. It's a high-quality training tool designed to elevate your boxing and MMA skills. What we like. Made with premium microfiber leather, this speedball is built for durability. Its balanced design ensures optimal rebounds during training. If you are looking for a speed bag that offers excellent value for money, you should consider this one. What people say. The material is nice and the bag came with all the accessories to swivel on the stand when hit. The quality is good and the bag is easy to set up. It was easy to install. Number 1. FISTRAGE Speed Bag Boxing Ball Training Kit. This speed ball is made with top-grade microfiber leather, ensuring it can withstand intense training sessions. The reinforced seams and robust lacing make it incredibly durable, so you can focus on your workout. The use of premium microfiber leather guarantees extreme durability. This material is designed to endure the rigors of regular use, providing a long-lasting training experience. Its balanced design features a long-lasting bladder, which ensures optimal rebounds during your fitness training. This design helps you improve your speed and accuracy. The stitching is reinforced, riveted, and layered to unbreakable perfection. This construction ensures that it can handle powerful punches and kicks. This speed ball offers excellent value for money. It's a high-quality piece of equipment designed to enhance your training without breaking the bank. What we like. Made with premium microfiber leather, this speed ball is built for durability. Its balanced design ensures optimal rebounds during training. If you are looking for a speed bag that offers excellent value for money, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy to install. Good quality. Good quality. My husband loved it and was exactly what he wanted and was looking for. Love the color. I'm new to speed bags, but it seems well made and works for me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.